Hey there, food enthusiasts. Today, we've got something special for you. We're going to explore a range of easy, healthy snacks that will satisfy your cravings and keep you energized throughout the day. Whether it's mid-morning or mid-afternoon, these sweet and savory snacks are perfect for munching on. So, let's dive right in. 1. Raspberry Yogurt Cereal Bowl. Our first snack idea is the raspberry yogurt cereal bowl. It's perfect for breakfast, as a snack, or even as a healthy dessert. Instead of milk, we're using yogurt to add creaminess and flavor. And if you want to take it on the go, keep the cereal separate and top it just before eating. 2. Peanut Butter Banana Cinnamon Toast. Next up, we have the Peanut Butter Banana Cinnamon Toast. This one's a satisfying treat with a sprinkle of cinnamon for that extra flavor boost. 3. Hard-boiled egg with hot sauce. Looking to add a little spice to your day? Try our hard-boiled egg with hot sauce. It's a simple, protein-rich snack that will power you through your day. 4. Greek yogurt with strawberries. For a super simple and satisfying snack, we have Greek yogurt with strawberries. The combination of protein-rich Greek yogurt and sweet strawberries is a winner. 5. Everything Bagel Microwave Popcorn. Craving something savory? Check out our Everything Bagel Microwave Popcorn. It's full of umami-rich flavors inspired by the classic bagel, and it's so easy to make. 6. Tropical Snack Mix. Need a quick energy boost on the go? Our Tropical Snack Mix is the answer. It's a sweet, salty, and simple treat that'll keep you moving. 7. Easy Veggie Snack. Let's keep that energy up with our Easy Veggie Snack. This protein and veggie combo is unbeatable for staying on track and full of vitality. 8. Rice Cakes with Peanut Butter. If you're after a nutritious snack that's loaded with protein and fiber, try our rice cakes with peanut butter. It'll keep you feeling full and satisfied. 9. Yogurt with blueberries. Blueberries add natural sweetness to protein-rich Greek yogurt in our yogurt with blueberries. It's a satisfying and guilt-free snack. 10. Fruit and nut snack mix. For a sweet and salty mix that's perfect for on-the-go fuel or after-school snacks, whip up our fruit and nut snack mix. There you have it, folks, a fantastic lineup of easy, healthy snacks to keep your cravings at bay and your energy levels up. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and food inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.